When returning to a job for which you've already calculated and stored points using GPS, set up your reference receiver at the same location used on the first day, or on any other point that was previously measured with GPS. After you connect to your reference station, you will be on the map view screen. Once here, select the Start Reference button. This will bring up the Reference Position Method screen. Here you will select Use Known Geodetic Position to bring up the reference position screen. The screen will show a default reference position matching the last position NavCom FieldGenius has programmed, which in this case is the one used the previous day. This screen will also give you an opportunity to check your antenna height to ensure the accuracy of your readings. There is also a Select Position from Database button, which allows you to pick a point from the database that has been measured using GPS if you're not setting up your base on the last position measured. Select this button, it will take you to the Map View screen, where you can enter a point ID that you want to program the base to. Please note that the point ID you enter should match the point on which you set up your GPS reference station. At the bottom of the screen, there is a List button. This allows you to select a point from your points database list. There is also a New button, which allows you to create a new point in case you weren't able to set up your GPS receiver on an existing point and you know the GPS information for the new position. Or you can select Cancel to be taken back to the reference position screen. Once you have entered the point ID for your desired reference point, press Select and you'll be taken back to the reference position screen. Then select Set Position and you will see the Link Configure screen. Set up your link device as you normally would and select Connect. Once the link device is connected, you will be taken back to the Map View screen. You can now click on the Setup button to go to the Instrument Settings screen. Here you will select Instrument Disconnect. This will take you back to the Map View screen. Select Setup again, and this time you will be taken to the Instrument Selections screen. Select GPS Rover and connect to your rover as you normally would. When you configure your link device, be sure that the settings you use match those you configured your base to. Once you're back on the Map View screen, select the Main Menu button. From the Project menu screen, select Survey Methods. This will take you to the Select Measure Mode screen. Here you want to select Checkpoint to ensure the accuracy of your readings. You will then be taken to the Checkpoint screen, where you'll be asked to enter the point ID of a point you wish to check. It is important to note that the point you check must be one that has been measured with GPS. Enter your desired point ID and press the Select button. You will be taken back to the Map View screen. At the top of the screen will be the instruction to measure the point you are checking. Move your rover to the location of the point you wish to check and press the Measure button. Once NavCom FieldGenius accepts the point, select Continue to be taken to the Checkpoint screen. Here you will see a report comparing your checkpoint to your observed point. At the bottom of the screen is the readout of your observed point, including its northing, easting, and elevation. The top part of the screen shows your checked point, including its point ID, description, and the delta northing, delta easting, delta elevation, and delta horizontal readings, which indicate the difference between the 2 points. If you are unsatisfied with these readings, you can select Close and remeasure your point. Otherwise, select Store Point. This will take you to the Store Point screen, where you can enter a point ID and description for your point. Then select Store Point, and a record of this point will be created in the raw file. This gives the user a useful way to check back on the point should they need to. You will now be on the Map View screen, where you will see that your observed point and your check point are very close to each other. You can now continue surveying, and any points you measure will compare nicely to the ones from the previous day.